In today's fast-paced trading environment, the use of trading bots has surged, offering a way to automate trading decisions, minimize emotions, and enhance efficiency. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the market or an advanced trader seeking to fine-tune your strategies, there's a trading bot for you. But not all bots are created equal. In this video, we'll explore different types of trading bots, from automated advisor platforms to AI-powered auto traders, comparing their features, strengths, and weaknesses. In the future, we will create more detailed videos about each method, exploring various platforms and features. If you don't want to miss such videos, subscribe to the channel now. Let's start with beginner-friendly trading bots. If you're just starting out in the world of trading, you'll likely want something that takes the complexity out of the equation. Beginner-friendly trading bots are designed to be simple and intuitive, allowing new traders to ease into the market without needing an extensive background in finance or programming. Two of the most popular options for beginners are automated advisor platforms and mirror trading platforms. Automated advisor platforms, also known as robo-advisors, have gained significant traction among new traders because they remove the need for manual intervention. These platforms work by analyzing your financial goals, risk tolerance, and market trends to build and manage a diversified portfolio on your behalf. The beauty of automated advisor platforms lies in their simplicity. You don't need to know how to pick stocks or monitor market fluctuations. The platform handles all of that for you. In this way, they offer a hands-off approach to investing, making them perfect for those who don't have the time or expertise to actively manage their portfolios. One of the main advantages of automated advisors is their ease of use. Most platforms have intuitive interfaces that guide users through the setup process, making it possible for even the most inexperienced traders to start investing. They also tend to be cost-effective, as many automated advisors charge lower fees than traditional brokers, or are even completely free for a limited time. Once set up, these platforms continue to manage your portfolio in the background, allowing you to earn passive income with minimal effort. However, while automated advisors are convenient, they also come with some trade-offs. You sacrifice a significant amount of control over your investments, as the platform makes most decisions on your behalf. This lack of customization can be a disadvantage for those who want more control over their investment strategy. Plus, relying on such advisors will make you completely dependent on them with no desire to further develop your education and trading abilities. Additionally, many robo-advisors use fairly generic, one-size-fits-all strategies that may not align perfectly with your specific financial goals or preferences. Another popular option for beginners is mirror trading platforms. These platforms allow users to copy the trades of more experienced traders, offering a way to learn by example while still making actual trades. Mirror trading is especially appealing to beginners because it gives them the chance to leverage the expertise of seasoned traders without needing to fully understand the market themselves. You simply choose a trader whose strategy aligns with your goals, and the platform automatically mirrors their trades in your account. Mirror trading platforms provide a unique learning experience, as you can observe how experienced traders react to market conditions and adjust their strategies. This can help beginners develop a better understanding of trading without the steep learning curve. Furthermore, mirror trading offers diversification by allowing users to follow multiple traders, spreading out risk and potentially improving returns. However, one of the main drawbacks is the risk of blindly following another trader's strategy. If the trader you're mirroring has a bad day or misjudges the market, you'll suffer the same losses. Additionally, while the platform gives you some control over which traders to follow, you don't have the ability to customize trades, which might frustrate users who prefer more flexibility. Now, to advanced trading bots. For those who have been in the trading game for a while and are ready to take their strategies to the next level, advanced trading bots offer a powerful tool to maximize profits and optimize trading strategies. These bots are typically more complex, catering to experienced traders who are comfortable with algorithmic and data-driven decision-making. The two most prominent types of advanced bots are algorithmic auto traders and AI-powered auto traders. Algorithmic auto traders are designed for traders who want to program their own trading algorithms or use pre-built ones to automate trading decisions. These bots rely on mathematical models and predefined rules to execute trades based on market conditions. One of the biggest advantages of algorithmic trading bots is their level of customization. Traders can fine-tune their strategies to suit their exact needs, adjusting parameters like time frames, risk tolerance, and market conditions. This flexibility allows traders to implement highly sophisticated strategies that can be far more precise than manual trading. The speed and precision of algorithmic trading bots are also major selling points. Since these bots operate purely on data, they can react to market changes faster than any human could, ensuring that trades are executed as soon as conditions meet the predefined criteria. This eliminates the possibility of missed opportunities or delayed reactions that often occur with manual trading. Moreover, because the trades are based on data and rules, algorithmic trading removes the emotional element from decision-making, reducing the risk of impulsive or fear-based trades. However, algorithmic auto traders are not without their downsides. The most obvious challenge is the technical knowledge required to create effective algorithms. These bots are not plug-and-play solutions. They require a deep understanding of coding, market dynamics, and strategy development. Even experienced traders can struggle to build profitable algorithms without thorough testing and refinement. Furthermore, while algorithmic trading has the potential for high returns, it also comes with higher risk. If the strategy is poorly designed or not properly adapted to changing market conditions, it can result in significant losses. For traders looking to push the boundaries of automation even further, AI-powered auto traders offer a cutting-edge solution. Unlike traditional algorithmic bots, which operate based on fixed rules, AI-powered bots use machine learning to adapt to market conditions and improve their strategies over time. These bots are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making predictions about future market movements, making them some of the most sophisticated tools available to traders today. The main advantage of AI-powered bots is their ability to continuously learn from new data. While a traditional algorithm might remain static, an AI bot evolves, adjusting its strategy as it processes more information. This dynamic approach makes AI bots particularly effective in unpredictable or volatile markets where past trends might not hold true. Additionally, AI-powered bots can handle a much larger volume of data than human traders, allowing them to spot trends and opportunities that might otherwise be missed. However, the sophistication of AI-powered bots comes at a cost. These bots tend to be more expensive to set up and maintain, requiring significant computational power and technical expertise. Additionally, because AI bots rely heavily on historical data, there's a risk that they may overfit to past trends, leading to poor performance in unforeseen market conditions. Traders using AI-powered bots also need to be mindful of the fact that no bot, no matter how advanced, can predict the future with complete accuracy. As with any trading strategy, there are inherent risks involved. Now, to the most important question: which trading bot is right for you? When it comes to selecting the right trading bot, the decision ultimately depends on your experience level, risk tolerance, and trading goals. For beginners, automated advisor platforms and mirror trading platforms provide a simple, low-risk entry point into the world of automated trading. They allow you to start trading with minimal knowledge or intervention, making them ideal for those who want a hands-off approach. However, as you gain more experience and seek greater control over your trading strategy, advanced bots like algorithmic auto traders and AI-powered auto traders offer the potential for higher returns and more sophisticated strategies. Regardless of which type of bot you choose, it's important to remember that no trading bot is a magic solution. Even the most advanced AI-powered bots require careful setup, continuous monitoring, and a solid understanding of market conditions to be effective. In the end, trading bots are tools designed to enhance your trading experience, but they are only as effective as the strategies and decisions behind them. Trading bots can make life easier for traders at all levels, but they're not without risks. The key is understanding what each bot offers and how it aligns with your individual needs. By carefully selecting the right bot, you can unlock the full potential of automated trading while minimizing the risks associated with market volatility. Hope this video was useful to give you an idea about the bot trader types and what to choose. As mentioned earlier, we will try to create a more detailed videos about those methods, therefore like and subscribe. If one of those videos was released after you watched this video, it will appear in front of your screen. Otherwise, another similar video will appear, so see you there.